Hi friends, today we are going to make sambar. This is at the request of my sister Nutan Agarwal ji, who asked me to make sambar vada. Today I am going to make sambar and then vada maybe the next time. So for sambar basically what we need is the yellow lentil dal or arhar dal. I have taken about 1.5 cup of this dal and I have soaked it in water, washed it and soaked it in water. And then for a sambar you need lots of vegetables. Now what I tend to do is most of the vegetables which are available at home I try to use them. Say for example this is bottle gourd. So I have taken little bit about a cup of bottle gourd, about a cup of lady finger, about a cup of cabbage, similarly about 1.5 2 onions, chopped onions. Then these are drumsticks. Now they give a very good flavor to sambar. It is possible, then you must include this, otherwise obviously each of these items are optional. And so drumsticks I have taken about 3, then 1.5 tomato, and then French beans, about half a cup French beans. So basically what happens is in sambar, whatever vegetables you have at home, just use them and don't worry about anything else. For the tangy taste, what we also need is the tamarind essence. What I did, the tamarind which is available in the market, I soaked it in water for some time, and after it had soaked well, I just squeezed out the essence and along with the water by adding little more water to it. So this is the tamarind essence. Now this essence is very important to sambar because this is what gives the tangy taste. Now if you don't have the tamarind essence, don't worry, use mango powder or amchur powder. Now for the seasoning, I need salt to taste. And as I have taken about 1 teaspoon of salt. I have taken about half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. I have taken about 3 to 4 teaspoons of sambar masala. 2 red chilies. Red chilies, I am going to use them for the tadka or for the chalk. Then I will need curry leaves for the chalk or the tadka. Also for that we will need sarson seeds or mustard seeds or rye seeds. So these are the 4 items that we will be needing for the tadka along with some oil. So let's start making the sambar. Now for sambar, this is the yellow lentil. 4 times of water. This is normally the proportion you should keep. The amount of lentil you have, 4 times that. All your vegetables will go in. This is there. So in one go you can add all your vegetables. My way of looking at it is just soak them so that everything is dipped in water. This tamarind essence I am going to wait and put after I have done the pressure cooking. To go in is the sambar masala, the turmeric powder and the salt. Mix everything, and now I will leave it in the pressure cooker and wait for 1 whistle at full steam, and then for 2 whistles at medium to slow steam. To add the tamarind essence. I will add as per taste. So first, before adding more, I will taste it. Yeah, this is tangy enough, so I don't need to add any more. This is good for me, and now I'll give it 1 more whistle. Now for the tadka or the final chonk. Well, I don't know what to call it in English, so I'm using the regular word that we normally. I have taken 4 teaspoons here. Now the curry leaves. So curry leaves go in there. I'll reduce the flame, and then I will add the rye seeds, the mustard seeds, once they start crackling, I will add the red chilies. Break it into 2 and add it. Ready? I'll switch it off and take it to my sambar and add it here. So this is good to go now. The sambar is ready and good to go. Just look at the lovely color and the lovely fragrance that we can feel around. If you have enjoyed watching and you've enjoyed making this dish that I prepared, then please leave your comment, like it and share it. Also, if you want to watch more such video, follow the link that has been given